Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're performing a roof replacement in the city of Burke, Virginia, and everything is coming along beautifully. You can see right along the gutter line, the men are tacking the ice and water shield into place, and also the drip edge was installed along the eaves and also the rakes. Now, when you look at all these homes, you can see they all had 3-tab shingles. And it's not a good shingle. It only has a wind resistance of 60 miles per hour, and it has a manufacturer's warranty of 25 years. Now, the shingle I recommend, it's called GAF Timberline HD. It's an architectural shingle, and many of the HOAs are allowing the homeowners to upgrade from a 3-tab to an architectural. And at this time, we have a special where I can give you the 3-tab or I can give you the architectural at the same price. And as I said, the architectural is a much better shingle, but just like with anything else, it is only as good as the contractor who installs it. And if it's not fastened perfectly, those shingles will blow off, even with 40 or 50 mile per hour winds, and I cannot tell you how many times I see it. So the initial installation is most important when installing a new roof. Here you can see they're fastening down the synthetic underlayment. So once all the underlayment is stapled into place, then we're going to install the architectural shingle. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement in Burke and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.